Welcome to Sign My Code. We are going to show you the ordering and enrollment process for Google KMS Cloud Code Signing. We will also show you the generation of CSR and bundle attestation from Google KMS Cloud. Before ordering, you must have a Google KMS subscription set up from Google. The certificate authority with this product is Sec2Go, as it allows you to order it for multiple years, which can be reissued every 400 days till actual order expiry if purchased for multiple years. I added the product to the cart, and it will take me to the billing page. Now I have filled up the billing details and placed the order. You need to click on Enroll button and the Enroll in the order with the organization and signer details along with CSR and bundle created from Google KMS. Set up a Google Cloud account and search for KMS. Click Create Keyring. Create a new keyring specifically for this signing key. Enter a unique keyring name. Select the required location. Click Create. Create an HSM-protected asymmetric signing key. Enter a unique key name. Under Key Material, select HSM Generated. Under Purpose, select Asymmetric Sign. Under Algorithm, select the required RSA signing algorithm. Under Purpose, select Asymmetric Sign. Then select 3072-bit RSA, PKCS, number 1 version 1.5 padding, SHA 256 digest. Click Create. Now click on 3 dots for the generated key and click on Verify Attestation. Click on Download Attestation Bundle. This will provide us the bundle required for enrollment for the code signing order. The bundle is created now, and we will move for the creation of CSR. Here we have used Linux Server to create the CSR. Here we will install the Linux packages. It helps to update and upgrade apt packages. It assists to install the OpenSSL in your Linux server. You can use the commands as shown in the article. We need to install the library. You can download it from the URL shown. It will integrate the GCP Cloud and Linux. It will download the zip file. Once downloaded, You can extract the files. You need to upload all the files in your Linux server, any path or folder. Then you need to create the empty folder as per the command shown, which will copy these files in this folder. You need to authenticate the Google Cloud with Linux using the command shown. I have not used the command end video as it is already authenticated. Now, we will use the YAML configuration to locate the keyring created earlier. YAML configuration is a human-friendly data format used for settings, options, and instructions in software programs. Now, use the command as shown in the article for the YAML configuration. You can name any project. I kept it Certera, and in the keyring name, make sure you keep the same keyring name as you generated earlier. Then we need to check the environment by exporting, as we are using this for Google Cloud KMS PKCS number 11 with OpenSSL for CSR generation. You can use the command shown to check if the Google Cloud is working with our server. We are now able to see the Certra LLC labeled key as keyring coordinating with Google KMS. Use the command shown in the article to create the CSR and paste the whole command. Only keep the things required for the CSR, i.e. common name, country, etc. To load the engine, use the Open SSL command shown. Now comes the final part where we will use the command to generate the CSR kept in the folder coordinating with our Google KMS. We have now got the CSR generated using OpenSSL command in line with our Google KMS client. You can copy and paste this command to enroll in the order for code signing certificate. Now I come back to the ordering page to enroll in the order with the CSR copied and attach the bundle created earlier from Google KMS account. The order is enrolled now and it will be sent to Sectigo validation. Once validated, Sectigo will issue the certificate and you can then store the certificate in Google Cloud for signing.